Morning, everyone. This is Rajendran here, joining from Market Calls, and welcome everyone to TradeZilla 2.0, a comprehensive mentorship program on Discover Your Trading Edge. So, before getting into the program, just give me a quick confirmation on the audio and video quality so that we can kickstart with the session. Okay, great. Thanks, Vishal. Okay. So thank you then. We are good to go then. Okay, so about myself, my name is Rajendran. I'm the one who write about markets, market analysis, trading strategies, and market calls. I'm writing quite since 2007 onwards, and most of my expertise is in market profile, order flow analytics, trading system indicator development, and automated trading. And I had trained closely more than 500 plus professional traders. Some of them are from the institutional side, some of them are from prop desk, and some of them are from the retail trading community, right? And I primarily use softwares like NinjaTrader. Mostly, I prefer using NinjaTrader for only for two reasons. One is for market profile and order flow. Otherwise, I'm more of an systematic trader. I use AMI Broker mostly, and my nature of the trading is mostly I'm related to speculative bets in the markets. At times, it will be highly risky, and I'm mostly oriented on directional trades. Right? So I don't do option writing, or I don't do straddle strangles kind of option strategies. I'm more of an directional player in the markets. I do know option writing, but primarily I am focused more on the directional approach, right? And I do hedge my trades as well. And this program, this training program, is all about. It's all I can guarantee you is it is an institutional grade trading skill development program, and it helps you to understand the markets better, ability to get the context better, and thereby mostly will be moving in an objective manner. So we'll be making decisions in objective manner. We have a clear cut rules, when to enter, when to exit, and how we have to position ourselves in the market. Should I have to do a trend following today, or should I have to do an position sizing today? Should I have to add to my positions, or should I have to do a mean reversion today? It's kind of a dynamic approach. Whatever we are going to talk in this session is going to be a dynamic approach, which helps you to step up from your current scenario to the next level of trading, I would say that. And it brings you the ability to analyze any asset classes, not only to analyze but also to trade any asset classes. Let it be an index, let it be stocks, let it be commodities, currencies, crypto, let it be anything. The program is designed in such a way that you can trade any kind of market situations. Like it could, let it be an high volatile, low volatile, sideways markets, or trending markets. So let it be any kind of markets. You'll be able to understand what kind of environment currently we are in. Is the environment changed, or how we can adapt to the dynamic changing market environments. That's what the whole theme of TradeZilla 2.0 is all about. And the tools, what I'm going to use here are NinjaTrader 8 platform, because previously in our previous sessions we used NinjaTrader 7. Now NinjaTrader 8 is much superior compared to NinjaTrader 7 platform. And we will be using two versions of Market Profile. The Bell Market Profile Pro, I guess most of the people would have access to the basic version. And also we'll be using the Bell Market Profile Ultimate edition, which comes with an scanners and premium automated reference lines as well. Next comes the TradeZilla 2.0. It's a trader's worksheet. It is a worksheet which I want you to practice on day-to-day trading. When it comes to day-to-day trading, you have to initially you need to have to fill all these worksheets to understand. It's kind of a checklist. I would say that it's kind of a trader's checklist to make sure that you are getting the context right, to make sure that you are finding the patterns right, to make sure that what I am seeing, you're also seeing the same information, right? So it has been prepared in such a way. And I, yeah, I mean, as a part of the program, you will be getting access to the recorded webinar access. The current webinar is getting recorded. You'll be getting access to it, and all the links has been shared to you in your email. You will also have access to the past recorded videos, right? Again, you can check your email today. I mailed before starting the session here. All these recorded webinar access closely cover more than 300 plus hours of 300, 400 hours of recorded webinar, where it helps you to see how we've seen the markets in the past. And you're also able to get access to market profile and order flow premium articles, which we used to write in market calls time to time, about if there is any signature trades which is coming in, or if there is any new concepts which is developing, we'll be posting you that access. You again, you will be getting for 1 year. And Slack, of course, it's our own private trading community. Closely 500 plus members are there. The people who trained, the members in Slack are mostly trained by me, and some of them are experts in market profile and order flow as well. Some of them are experts in option writing. You can find many experts over there: price action experts, Elliott wave experts. Multiple experts are there, and even some of them are from institutional side as well, right? So that access is lifetime. So it's this is where our most of our conversation happens during the market hours, post the market hours. Anything related to market profile and order flow, most of the communication happens over here. If you have questions, or the post the session, if you have any questions, you're always invited to go and post in the community over there. If you feel a bit shy, still we have one-to-one conversation. Like, you can do a direct message to me, and you can still we can do a one-to-one conversation. But if you want to have a community support, if you want someone to answer, it's not just me, but if you want to come and answer, we have a Slack channels. It's a classified channels. I guess most of you people have onboarded to Slack, but if you still haven't onboarded to Slack, just accept the invitation which is sent by my team. If you still haven't feel like you haven't got any accept invitation, just go back and connect with my support team. They will be happy to assist you on onboarding you to Slack, right? And you'll also be entitled to the Slack community webinars, which we do once in a month or twice in a month. And the follow-through webinars post the session will be there, so which will help you to assess your market profile skills periodically, and able to improve your market profile skills periodically. So these are the takeaway from TradeZilla 2.0. And the basic prerequisites, these are the mandatory basic prerequisites. You need to have a strong, the basic understanding about futures and options. Right? I believe the one who are attending the session here today are not the newbies in the markets. I assume that they are not 1 or 2 months or 3 months experience in the markets. If you are, then go and grab the basics of futures and options concepts, right? So, and what I need is a strong time commitment to active market observations, like which is very critical for learning market profile and order flow skills, and the curiosity to learn newer and radical concepts. I would say that market profile and order flow are completely radical concepts, right? So which will help you to sharpen your market understanding. At the same time, it helps you to understand your competition better. And willingness to spend more on screen time. These are the basic requisites which is required for market profile and order flow. It's not just for market profile and order flow, but any other technical analysis. If you want to learn deeper, one thing which is mostly undervalued is the screen time, right? So a good screen time, the more the screen time you have, higher the ability to adapt to any kind of market, changing market situations, ability to deal with your psychological issues with the markets, right? So let's not delay further. Let's quickly get into market profile and order flow, right? So in today's session, we're going to deal with the basics of market profile, right? And we'll be covering order flow concepts as well in depth. So I guess you would have received the agenda today. So go back to your PPTs and go through the agenda and stick to the agenda. We'll be following the agenda, and we'll be sticking to the agenda as per the PPTs whichever I shared. And if there are any changes, it will be intimated to you. Right? So how do I see market profile and order flow? So I would say that the market profile and order flow are a completely radical approach to the markets to grab edge in this new gen technological field, right? So I see market profile and order flow as an three different entities. One is I see market profile as a game theory. Like game theory talks about what the uh, it talks about the participants. In terms of markets, it deals with the how the other players behave, how the other participants behave in the market. It's more of a behavioral approach. Likewise, market profile is also a behavioral approach where it talks about what kind of participants are coming into the markets, right? So, and what is their participation behavior? If they are intraday players, what is their behavior? How they behave? How an intraday players behave? When I say intraday players, I'm not talking about one individual intraday players. I'm talking about the layers of intraday players. How the short-term players behave, how the institutional traders behave, how the long-term traders behave, right? So when you know the such kind of behavioral approach, how we can take advantage of those information. That's what game theory deals with. That's what exactly market profile is also deals with. And just like the Google GPS, which keeps you informed about directions on each and every turn, it's like a nice, sweet voice. In a lady tone, it tells you that next 100 meters, you turn right. Another, you go straight 1.7 kilometers, right? Take a U-turn, right? So take a left turn. It keeps you informed about the direction at the appropriate places, right? So exactly that's what market profile is also do. Market profile doesn't gives you buy and sell signal. It will not tell you where to buy and where to sell, but you over a period of time will be developing a framework, will be developing a concept which helps you to approach the markets whichever the direction the markets are willing to move, right? So, and it also helps you to take a quicker turn. It also helps you to take an uh, very short-term moves. When to take such in a short-term moves, it helps you. The framework which I built on top of market profile, it helps you to take such kind of an informed decisions about the market directions. And just like machine learning, right? Machine learning is all about making a better continuous learning. The machine learning, it always looks into the new information, it processes the new information, and it dynamically changes its trading approach. Likewise, here also we'll be continuously consuming information. We'll be in the screen time, we'll be continuously monitoring the markets, we'll be continuously looking into new information, so that we'll be developing newer skills as the markets are showing new information, right? So it's not just only we are going to deal with the old strategies. Over a period of time, you'll be able to cultivate newer strategies as you are able to see new data points which you haven't seen in the past, right? So the framework itself adaptive, it helps you to see newer information in a better manner. And I believe this TradeZilla 2.0 will be an better I would say that it's more about how to see these markets in a better way with a completely different different angle, right? And anyways, we'll be starting right from the scratch. So all you need to do is the basic technical analysis knowledge or a basic market knowledge is enough to go through this information. And we'll be mostly dealing with Nifty futures, Bank Nifty futures actively. And some of the examples we'll be taking from the US market, the ES Mini, like Nifty futures, which is traded in Indian markets. We'll also be dealing with the ES Mini, the US market index futures. And we'll also be dealing with a couple of stocks. When it comes to stocks, I'm going to limit to 2 or 4